What is going on, guys? It is a fine, super fine day here in Southwest PA. Hello, friend. And today we need to kind of talk about the winter time, the change of season, and what is going to happen with this channel. So, as a lot of you know, I live in Southwest PA, and we have winter here. So we're not really we're not really able to ride year round. I still plan on riding in the winter, but you know, that's not going to be all the time. So because of the change of season and everything's going on, you know, there might be a couple questions like what's going to happen with the channel, and I kind of want to talk about that real quick. So first and foremost, we're not changing anything as far as uploading. Like I'm still going to upload every week during the winter. So what I did was, during this whole season, I made videos and I archived them. I kind of just put them in the back. So I probably have, I don't know, anywhere from 15 to 20 episodes already pre-recorded and ready to go, essentially. So as far as that aspect of it goes, that's not going to change. The only thing that might change is the style of the content. So a lot of you guys know most of my content is educational, with a couple of random rides sprinkled in here and a few trips as well sprinkled throughout this whole season. So pretty much a lot of the episodes that are already pre-recorded are just kind of episodes of me driving around talking about whatever, no real general point to it. Now, first off, I'm really happy that a lot of you guys seem to like that, and it doesn't seem like it really disrupts the content. So that's really cool. That actually makes it a lot easier on me whenever that comes into play. But you know, I do have other things recorded. Like, I still have the whole Gettysburg trip that I never uploaded, and I actually went out towards Gettysburg another time, and I have that trip recorded. I didn't go all the way out to Gettysburg that time. I just kind of went partially through it, probably about 3/4, but you know, I still have that going. Now I still did record some educational content, and you know, that's why I actually put out a poll today. Today is the 10th of October. I asked you guys if you can ride year round or not, because I'm trying to gauge when to upload that content. I always like to be completely transparent with you, and you know, you guys have been transparent with me, and I appreciate that. But while this channel is especially for you, it really is for you. It's for me, but it's also for you, and it's really to help out new riders. The educational content that I have, I don't necessarily want to put out during the winter. I would much rather save that for very late winter, very early spring, kind of when we're getting into that transition of next season. And I'm doing that for several reasons. One, I'm doing it so I don't upload it and you guys forget it. There's going to be a lot of good stuff, I think anyways, stuff that really helped me, and stuff that I really think can help you as well. But the other reason why I'm waiting to do it is, if I'm being honest, I want to get paid from YouTube. And to get paid from YouTube, it's about viewership, it's about audience retention, and it's also about subscribers. And you know, not a jab at Yami Noob or anything like that, but that's kind of why he's able to build the huge following that he does, is because he regurgitates the same content over and over and over and over, year after year. It's all the same thing at a specific time of year. and not saying that's what I'm doing, but I'm doing the first part of it, because you know I'm not going to be making the same videos over and over and over every year. I don't want to do that. That's not the kind of channel I want to be. But at the same note, I also understand, because this is how I was looking into content. I was looking in how to ride a motorcycle around February, March-ish. So I know that is the time of year whenever a lot of other people, new people, are going to be looking for this kind of content. And I'm turning around. I'm actually at lunch, and my boss is probably mad at me for just waiting to take my lunch so late. And he's also probably mad at me because I think I'm changing my vacation. But what were we talking about? Oh yeah, but you know, I know that's whenever other people are going to be looking for that kind of content. And you know, it's all for you guys. You know, I just want to reach as many people as I can, and I feel that's the best way for me to reach new people, new subscribers, gazelles if you will, is by hitting things at specific times. That's why I'm going to have a video how to ride a motorcycle, probably broken up in 3 different parts, and I'm going to release that probably February-ish, because I know, because I did it, that's whenever I was looking for it, so I know other people were looking for it. That's kind of how I base my my YouTube, like even how I name things and tag things. I was looking it through the lens of a consumer, because I am a YouTube consumer and I know how I think, and that's generally how, you know, most people think. They're looking for specific ideas and concepts, and that's kind of what I want to do. That's kind of what I'm basing everything off of. So again, you know, we're uploading every week. You know, that's not going to change. I'm kicking around the idea, and I don't know, but I was thinking about maybe taking a break in the month of December. I'm not entirely sure. If something were to happen and I don't have enough content to push me through winter, I might. But I also have a couple other ideas. I asked you guys, what would you think about, you know, doing educational reaction videos? Not to step on Dan the Fireman's toes, which, by the way, check him out if you don't already watch him. Make sure you guys watch him. But kind of that style of thing, watching crash videos and breaking them down, why people crashed and all that kind of stuff. You know, armchair quarterback stuff. But you know, we'll see what happens. And I had another idea, and I'm not sure if this one's gonna be able to work. So if anybody wants this, it's a freebie. You can have it. I don't have internet, so it would be extremely difficult. But I really wanted to reach out and have video podcasts with some of you guys. I wanted to do a interview podcast with, you know, Matt Underwood, I'm City Ninja, 603 Vibes, Cloudy Biker, you know, OG Kenny Lee, all you guys. I would love to have like a podcast thing while we kind of all, you know, we talk, you know, one-on-one, our motorcycle experience, you know, things we can add, and just all kinds of stuff. And but I'm not entirely sure if I'll be able to do that. So if any of you guys are able to do something like that, feel free. Again, I would love to do it. I just don't have internet. You know, it's actually kind of being a pain in the butt for me to upload right now, but you know, it kind of is what it is. But you know, like I said, content's not going to stop. It's just the style of the content's going to change just a little bit. It's going to be the more, you know, I don't know, goofy, whatever you want to call it, kind of stuff. But again, you guys seem to respond positively to that, so that's pretty cool. So we'll just see what happens. You know, none of us are necessarily, you know, guaranteed tomorrow, so I don't like to plan too much, but I still like to have a plan, you know, and it really does help to kind of think ahead like that. And as far as the season after that, you know, next spring and summer, I don't know what's going to happen, if I'm being 100%. There's an opportunity that I might have to get a big boy job where I would be working 70, 80 hours a week. And if I can take it, I got to take it. I need to be a grown-up. But, you know, if I don't get that position, then I plan on working directly with my local deal. I didn't even have to hit in the clutch to do that. I don't know if that's good. I want to work with my local dealership and really get in on these first ride videos. You know, there's a lot of motorcycles I want to ride, man. I want to ride a lot of different kinds of motorcycles, and that's the best way to do it, is just getting involved with your local community and your local dealership. And, you know, it would be cool if I could do that on non-demo days, where they'd be like, hey Matt, promote our dealership and we'll let you do a review on whatever motorcycle. You know what I mean? I think that would be really cool. I got a video planned to do with my dealership. I want to sit down with one of the salesmen and go through a complete walkthrough of what it's like to actually purchase a motorcycle from a dealership, because a lot of people do that. Some people don't, some people do, and if you don't know how the process goes, here you go, here's the process. And you know, it helps them out, and it also helps me out, because I'm trying to establish a connection. But you know, that's months and months and months away. We gotta see what happens. I'm really I'm not worried about the fall. I just kind of thought everything would be kind of changed by now. I might push my vacation back a week, because next week I'm supposed to be on vacation. Not much of things have really changed, and it's supposed to rain like every day or be cloudy like every day, and I don't want to deal with that. I want nice scenery. I want nice photography. That's the word. I couldn't think of the word. And it's hard to do that when it's all doom and gloom. I like doom and gloom. It's one of my favorites. I actually prefer doom and gloom over this, but it doesn't pick up, you know, the aesthetics of the leaves and all that stuff. But I'm rambling now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the channel and you like the content, do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bells. We do votes every week, or you know, I haven't been doing them because I've been doing other things as far as planning certain videos out, but you know, we're gonna get back into a lot of voting, especially whenever they're random style videos, because I want to cater this to you. You know, it's for me, but it's also for you guys. But again, thank you so much for watching. I got to keep my hand on the fucking steering and quit doing that. I'm going to keep reminding myself that. But I don't know. I will see you guys in the next one. Let's drive past this huge, majestic American flag and not hit the whatchamacallit. Look at it. Look at it. All right, guys. I'll see you later.